Magandang hapon po ng Monday, April 8, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, April 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 8, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 8, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 204.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 16 million pesos for April 8, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for April 8, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.